Hi, it's Niamh here in Tully Nurseries, and I'm in Tunnel 1 where we've all our lupins. Our 2 litre West Country lupins are selling like hotcakes, which we're actually quite happy with because our 4 litres have come in behind it this year. They're really also selling very well. We've a great price point and a great cost price, so check out the list. But this particular one, Persian Slipper, I absolutely love. I've planted it in my own garden. I shared a few shots with you last year. I'll do the same again this year. By all means, use the images. They're really good, strong stems. In the flower shows, and even to say to your customer, plant in outdoor containers, patio containers now. We're waiting on the buds, they will come soon, but just to get organized, you know, for the summer months. This one is really also really nice, really special Manhattan Lights for the 2-tone flower. And Masterpiece, a really nice shade for something different. I actually really like it, maybe underplanted with Bacopa or something around it. And finally, Polar Princess, white flowering. The 2 litres are sold out, but it's become very popular this year. I guess it suits a lot of colour schemes. So check out our list. Our 4 litre lupins are extremely strong, the best on the market. Now's the time to buy them before they sell out. Thanks.